Are you looking to find your perfect design idea? Watch this video to find out.
Perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If you are new to the channel, we have many design inspirations for you. Hit the like button if you like the video so far.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
Have you ever hung a frame not in the right place? We have taken the most important aspects of interior design and condensed them into a free cheat sheet for you. Check out the free designer toolkit on our website, designercheatsheet.com.
Perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
Check out our other videos. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic.